Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIL Lily 2 active, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on it. Come on. Okay. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and then you can press and hold the lower button to open the menu. One thing to mention before we continue is that I recommend you to check the battery level on your watch, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it will damage your watch, or it might damage your watch. And I recommend the battery to be at least above 20 or 30%. If it's not, I recommend to charge your watch. Okay, and now let's continue with the reset. So after you open the menu by pressing and holding the lower button, scroll through it, find the settings option and tap on it. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the system and tap on it. And here find the option called reset and tap on it, of course. And then select the option delete data and reset settings. Scroll down. Oh no, you need to tap on the screen to continue. Then you need to tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. Hello. Okay, we can tap on the check mark and the resetting process should be ongoing. Let's wait until it's done. And once you see the hello message on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.